Today's top stories are: Spotboy reveals why Deepika refused Salman Khan's Sultan, stars की security को किया गया कम, and we'll give you a quick review on the movie Wazir. Hey guys, welcome to Spotboy Sab Kuch Bollywood. This is me, Caitlin, with an all-new episode. Spotboy. Now, who refuses to work with Salman Khan? Someone brainless or Deepika Padukone? Well, yup, Deepika is वक्त अपने career के जिस level पर है, she can surely refuse anyone and anything she wants. Amongst them was Sultan. Spotboy आपको बताएगा कि क्यों Deepika ने किया Sultan Salman को refuse. Sultan has become the talk of the town and how. जहां आजकल कटरीना सलमान के साथ मीटिंग कर रही है to be a part of the film, वहीं अब Spotboy को पता चला है why Deepika denied the role in Sultan. Spotboy के पास exclusive story है कि Deepika Sultan के लिए बहुत excited थी, पर अब she's not feeling it. So what's changed? Deepika ने Sultan में interest lose किया as she felt that she did not have a meaty role in the film. Now we all know if it's a Salman Khan film, how much screen space does a lead actress get? Deepika अपने career के सबसे अच्छे phase में है, and that is why she doesn't want to opt for any role where she isn't the focus. But that doesn't mean Deepika is not interested in working with Salman. Deepika definitely is looking forward to work with Salu bhai, but just that, वो film Sultan नहीं हो सकती. Bollywood latest is that stars जिन्हें extra security दी गई थी after the intolerance controversy has been reduced by a certain level. कौन से stars की security की गई कम? Well, here is a report on the same. The Mumbai police is all set to overhaul the security arrangement for as many as 25 Bollywood celebrities. The security cover for 25 major stars like Aamir Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, who were recently in the news for the intolerance debate, has been reduced considerably. दोनों Khans को additional security दी गई थी in the wake of their comments on the subject of intolerance. But अब police officials का मानना है कि assessment review में ऐसा लगता है कि the Khans face no threat anymore. While Shah Rukh Khan has been considered a target since 2013, Aamir got an additional cover as he expressed his view on the raging debate over acts of intolerance in November last year. पर अब दोनों Khans को सिर्फ 2 armed constables मिलेंगे. The armed protocol and armed vehicles have also been called back. Also, the security cover has been withdrawn altogether for filmmakers Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Rajkumar Hirani, Farah Khan, and producers Ali and Kareem Morani. Spotboy को sources से पता चला है कि the list of stars under armed protection has been cut down considerably. अब होंगे सिर्फ 15 stars on the list. Of the 15 Bollywood personalities who continue to remain under the security cover are actor Akshay Kumar and producers Mahesh and Mukesh Bhatt. Lata Mangeshkar, Dilip Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan, viewed as iconic figures, will enjoy round-the-clock security cover besides a police escort. This week, Wazir hui release, and the buzz of the film before its release was quite high. But box office पर film को मिला कैसा welcome? Let's find out in our review today.
Share और बात. मेरा नाम है प्रबुद्ध. नमस्ते.
और मैं हूँ संज्ञा.
और हमने देखी वजीर. तो फिल्म में है अमिताभ बच्चन.
I mean, क्या crippled का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया उन्होंने. He's also playing chess के ग्रैंड मास्टर. And I mean, absolutely extraordinary.
मतलब लेजेंड आदमी है. And you know what? When you have Amitabh Bachchan in your film, no, you won half the battle right there. वहाँ पे खत्म हो गया यार. अमिताभ बच्चन है, मतलब देखना पड़ेगा पिक्चर. और उनके साथ है फरहान अख्तर.
अब फरहान अख्तर लगे तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं फिल्म में एज एन ATS ऑफिसर. बस मुझे थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम कहाँ लगी कि मैं उनसे इमोशनली कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाई.
On the contrary, my friend, मुझे उनका काम बहुत पसंद आया. I thought he did a very good job. So it's the internalization of the guilt and the anger. I think he was brilliant. Overall अगर मैं फिल्म की बात करूँ ना, so what I want to say is कि परफॉर्मेंस तो बहुत बढ़िया है, डायरेक्शन इतना बढ़िया है, कहानी लिखी इतनी अच्छे तरीके से गई है. इट्स बीन शॉट सो ब्रिलियंटली. सी द फिल्म इज अ थ्रिलर, ठीक है. और थ्रिलर फिल्म में आपकी जीत कब होती है, फिल्म की जीत कब होती है? व्हेन द ऑडियंस कैन नॉट गेस the end. I personally did not see that coming.
Me neither.
तो मेरे लिए पसंद आया मुझे and it was done very well.
So overall hot slot पे मैं इसे दूंगी 3 thumbs up.
मैं इसे दूंगा 4.
So Daima,
हाँ.
what are the 3 things we learned from the film?
Number 1, किसी भी खेल में अगर आपको जल्दी जल्दी सीखना है, सिंपल, बच्चे के साथ खेलो. जब कोई बच्चा आपको गेम में हराता है ना, तो जो बम पे आग लगती है उससे आप बहुत जल्दी सीखते हो.
Number 2, क्या आपको पता है कि वोडका पीने से कोई भी पंडित महापंडित बन जाता है?
And number 3, किसी भी ड्रिंकिंग गेम में जीतता वही है जो हारता है.
Absolutely.
तो ये थी हमारी विशेष टिप्पणी ऑन वजीर.
याद रहे, हम नहीं है मूवी क्रिटिक्स, हम है मूवी बफ्स.
जी हाँ, हम आपको मिलेंगे एक और फिल्म के साथ नेक्स्ट टाइम. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. ये सब पीसेस कौन तेरा पप्पा उठाएगा?
Seems like the intolerance controversy has come down heavily on Aamir Khan, and finally the news is confirmed that Aamir has been asked to step down from the brand ambassadorship of Incredible India. More on this in our next story. A few days ago, there were strong rumors doing the rounds that Aamir has lost his position as India's brand ambassador. और इसका reason, his comment on intolerance in India, जहां Aamir ने कहा था, Kiran and I have lived all our lives in India. For the first time, she said, should we move out of India? She fears for her child. She fears about what the atmosphere around us will be. However, all this while, Aamir ने इस पे कमेंट करने से इनकार कर दिया. In fact, when Spot Boys spotted Aamir and Kiran Rao on Wednesday night having dinner, दोनों काफी calm और cool नजर आए. But finally, the rumors have come true. 10 साल के बाद आमिर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर का पोस्ट खो बैठे हैं. प्रेस रिलीज में आमिर ने कहा, "It is always an honor for me to be of service to my country, and this is how it will always be. It is the prerogative of the government to decide whether they need a brand ambassador for any campaign, and if so, who that ambassador should be. I respect the decision of the government to discontinue with my services." According to the government, आमिर का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सपायर हुआ था, इसलिए वो अब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर नहीं रहे. Also, officials insist कर रहे हैं कि Aamir's intolerance comments had nothing to do with this decision. लेकिन now the interesting question is कि अब कौन लेगा आमिर की जगह? स्पॉट बॉय को पता चला है कि अमिताभ बच्चन अब होंगे द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया. बिग बी ने कहा, "No one has asked me, and neither have I been approached so far. But for state, country, and social causes, I shall always be ready to do any kind of work voluntarily." Well, now, whether Mr. Bachchan confirms the news or not, buzz is getting stronger that he will be the next brand ambassador. लेकिन अगर मिस्टर बच्चन नहीं बने ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, then there is always प्रियंका चोपड़ा. सुनने में आया है कि प्रियंका को भी कंसिडर किया जा रहा है. पोस्ट क्रॉनिकल, प्रियंका बनी है एन इंटरनेशनल स्टार, तो इंडिया को प्रमोट करने के लिए शी इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट चॉइस. Kapil Sharma is discontinuing with his comedy show. I know the news is old, but what's fresh is Spot Boy's exclusive update on why Kapil decided to take his show off air. Well, take a look at this, guys. Kapil Sharma's much talked about and famous stand-up comedy show Comedy Nights with Kapil will soon go off air. Spot Boy को अब मालूम पड़ा है कि the reason behind this could be that Krishna Abhishek from Comedy Nights बचाओ का होगा अपना एक comedy show on the lines of Comedy Nights with Kapil on the same channel. We spoke to the man himself, Krishna, to know about this entire controversy. उन्होंने हमें बताया असली reason behind Kapil leaving the channel.
उसको पहले से प्रॉब्लम थी कि हम चैनल पे क्यों आ गए, तो उसको पहले से इशू था कि ये लोग ना आ जाएं क्योंकि पूरी गैंग आ गई ना.
कृष्णा ने ये भी बताया कि कपिल उनके शो के बारे में पहले क्या सोचते थे,
क्योंकि उनको था कि ये लोग थोड़ी आ पाएंगे, थोड़ी कर पाएंगे, और चक्कर हुआ कि हम आ गए. तो इनको लगा था तब सलमान मना कर देगा, सलमान ने हाँ बोल दिया. उसके बाद इनको लगा दीपिका मना कर देगी, दीपिका ने भी हाँ बोल दिया आने के लिए. उसके बाद इनको लगा शाहरुख नहीं आएगा. चक्कर क्या हो गया, शाहरुख ने भी हाँ बोल दिया कि मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Well, this is what Krishna thought about Kapil leaving the show, but how true are these reasons? Well, we're not sure as yet. With that, it's time to wrap up this edition of Spotboy, but stay connected to Spotboy's Sab Kuch Bollywood by logging onto our site and our YouTube channel. Update our free app for your Android and iOS, and for those who don't have it yet, download it now. We're also on Facebook and Twitter, where we have an interesting contest going on for all you Hrithik Roshan fans. Channel your inner Hrithik Roshan by picking a Hrithik dance step and sending us your video using #MovesWithHrithik for a chance to win cool backpacks. For now, this is me, Caitlin, signing off, but we will be back with Spotboy's second edition soon.